Hello friends and happy Halloween. Welcome to today's vlog. I'm so happy that you're here. I hope you are enjoying your Halloween. I have a different look going on here, especially in the background. For one, we decorated the entire hotel room because yes, we are still here, but this video is not about that. It's about how spooky the room is. Spooky nails, got the vibes going on in here. Before we get started in today's video, I hope you give us a thumbs up down below and make sure to subscribe for more videos. Today we're gonna be decorating this hotel room. I'm gonna show you guys the whole process and how it exactly turned out. In addition, it's gonna be Halloween. Now unfortunately Liam is a little under the weather. He did catch a cold, so it's not gonna go as planned, but we'll see how the day goes because my mom's also gonna visit and the dogs are coming back. I'm so excited for that. We'll honestly see where the day goes just because Liam's not feeling too well. I had some plans, but they might have to be tweaked a little. But before anything, let's get started decorating the room. I think I'm gonna start here. We're in Trader Joe's. Okay, we're at Party City. Don't know if I should get these. You see them everywhere. Or should I get that for the room? I think I'm gonna get... I have no idea. Do I go scary? Do I go little kitty? Do I get plates? Oh my gosh, do I go really scary? Probably not. So we're thinking about this avocado. Okay, so I guess I'll start with the easiest, which is this. Let's bring it to the windows. Ah, they're so cute, little jellies. Stick it up. Put it up. Go like this. Good job. Good job. Now, I think what I'm gonna do is put them around the TV because we're always watching TV and it'll be cute, like right there. Maybe I can put some of those little fake pumpkins. Let's try it out. Oh my god, you guys have no idea how I'm obsessed. This right here is my favorite, although it's just a mess in the background. Look how cute! It's not done yet. Made this cute little area. Like, hello, happy Halloween. We're not done yet, guys. I am truly so excited for you guys to see Liam's costume. It is so cute. I really originally wanted to go with Mickey Mouse, but unfortunately they were completely sold out by last week already. So I went with the second cutest outfit that they had. I hope you guys are just as excited as I am about the content that's about to come out. I have a few things here. I'm gonna show you really quick. The bean boozled, and then we're gonna do trying baby food. I got 5 different flavors. And we're gonna do trying your pregnancy cravings. Hope that you guys left it on my Instagram. If you're not following me, please do. I hope you guys are following me on Instagram, so you left what your weirdest, craziest pregnancy craving is, because me and my mom is going to try. Hi babes, you ready? Look at what we're gonna do. You know you're too young still, but what color? The orange?
Look, look! Look! Tweet or tweet! Oh! Alright, wait.
He's gonna put it in his mouth. He's definitely too young. But we're gonna try anyways.
Do it, Grandma.
Wow! How cool! Let's get some more color. Good job.
Alright. Oh wow!
Whoa, look at the flick of the wrist. That's cool, baby.
He's like, give me that. That's mine. Good boy. Good job, Papa. Look at
I literally it flicked off the brush.
Then I just send his.
He got it in his ear. It's all over. The pants came off. It's on his leg. Ow! My toe. What a masterpiece. What a beautiful masterpiece.
Beep, 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 beep.
Who's ready to see Liam transform? Ready?
His belly! Look at his belly!
You want to eat the honey? You want to eat the honey? Here you go. Oh my goodness. Oh, yay! Say bye, guys. See you in the next one. Like, subscribe. Like, subscribe. Bye.